This is CDX Technologies, and we're going to look at how to use an online tool for getting demographic data for zip codes in a radius area. No software installation is required. It can be used in multiple environments such as PC, Mac, and Linux, and you can preview the output before you buy. Just go to the cdxtech.com website, and from the Tools menu, select Process Your List, then Zip Code Demographics by Radius Batch Report. From here, we can request demographics data for a specific radius area. Data includes population by gender and race, median age, household number, size, and income, housing value, business data, latitude and longitude, and city, county, state, and congressional district. You can click on the link here for a full listing of return data fields and their definitions. So now all we need to do is just input the target zip code that will be at the center of the area, then the radius distance. Here we'll input 50 miles, but anything up to 200 miles can be entered. You can also specify the distance units. Then press Generate Preview. We immediately see a preview of the return data for the first few zip codes in the radius area, including the target zip. Here's what the full output looks like. The output is provided in a CSV file, which can be opened in Excel or other spreadsheet software. To obtain the complete output for all zip codes in the radius area, click on Buy Now to go through the purchasing process. Cost is 1 cent per zip code, or you can use a CDX Streamer account for reduced pricing. For more information, go to the CDX Streamer product page and click on Pricing. If we go back to the online tool, you can download a free Excel template that can also be used for getting demographics for a list of zip codes. It returns the same data as the online tool, and it automatically creates graphs of the returned data. Examples here cover general demographics such as population and age, population based on gender, racial percentages, income, and housing distribution. This is a great way of visualizing the data for all listed zip codes. If you need zip code demographics for a given list of zip codes, or for a given city, county, or state, check out our other online tools available from the website. Thanks for watching this video from CDX Technologies.